for Life family! Welcome back to the channel where we're all about discovering simple ways to make everyday meals extraordinary. Today we're going to tackle a staple that's like a blank canvas in the culinary world: white rice. But wait, we're giving it a little flavor twist. Now, have you ever wondered how this humble grain can be transformed into the perfect side dish with just a few tweaks? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you how with a few common ingredients you already have in your pantry. Before we jump into the cooking, let's grab 2 cups of rice and give it a good rinse. This helps remove any excess starch from the rice. Then, let it soak in hot water for at least 1 hour before cooking if you are in rush. Or, soak it in room temperature water for at least 4 hours. This step is crucial to achieving a perfect, fluffy consistency in our rice. Okay, with our rice nice and ready, it's time to get cooking. Grab your favorite pot. One with a heavy bottom works best to prevent any sticking or burning. Heat your pot over high heat and pour in enough water to cover the rice. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep checking so that the rice is not too soft and not too hard. Now it is time to drain the rice. Over high heat in a pot, pour in 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let the sugar melt and changes its color to brown. Now carefully add 1/2 cup of water and cover it with lid quickly because it will splash. Next, add 1/3 cup of oil, followed by 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir the mixture well so that the salt dissolves all the way. Now it's time to toss the drained rice. Let it all simmer, covered, for about 15 to 18 minutes. Keep an eye on it and give it an occasional stir to make sure everything's cooking evenly and not sticking to the bottom of the pot. Oh, look at that! Time's up! Let's check on our rice. Remove from heat, let it sit for another 5 minutes to fully absorb any water, and then open the lid. Fluff it gently with a fork, and ta-da! The rice is cooked to perfection. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. Serve it alongside roasted veggies, your favorite curry, or some grilled chicken. The subtle flavors work well with just about anything. There you have it, a quick, easy, and flavorful way to spice up your plain white rice game. I'd love for you to try it out and let me know how it turns out. Does it make your meal a bit more special? Leave me a comment down below sharing your thoughts, or if you have any questions. And if you're new here, or just haven't gotten around to it yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes, tips, and tricks. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the tasty fun. Thank you so much for tuning in and cooking with me today on Food for Life. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and take care. Bye.
Like and subscribe.